y'all, it's Day Lakai, aka Lakai Day, aka Daya, and today we're back with another video. Make sure you like this video before it even starts because it's my birthday in 4 days and I at least deserve a like. Anyways, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be installing my free wig. Yes, babes, free. I got this wig for free. I've been waiting to win a frontal wig because I just love frontal wigs, but they be so expensive. But baby, this was for free. This is the wig. I got the wig for Branded Hair Extensions. As you can see from the bag, it said this bag. Here's their website. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on for you. I have my wig cap on already. It's not glued down or nothing, but I can show you what she looked like. Ooh, okay. So this is what she looked like on. Again, beautiful colors. Brush right through. Where the tangles at? It brushed right through. It's like butter. It's like butter. No, but for real, this hair is really soft. And she's 22 inches, so she goes like where my hips are. So love it. I love me a long wig. So stay tuned and watch me put this wig on. I'm so excited. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, my hair look crusty. The reason why is because this is like my third time redoing this wig. I think I just need new glue because every time I put the wig on, it lifts and it like slides back immediately. Like, so this is like my third time redoing the wig. Oh my god, this doesn't work. I'm gonna cry, honestly, because I've been wanting to put on this wig for I don't know how long, and my birthday's tomorrow, so I really don't have time for this. So I'm using some Shein Jam to lay my edges back so that way it won't get caught in the glue or anything or in the wig cap. Just trying my hardest to preserve the edges that I have left. Now it's time to put the wig cap on. So I'm just going to put this on like that. And then you have to make a little ear hole. I get some Got To Be Glue hairspray and spray down this section of hair. I don't know about you, but the spray don't be gluing like how it used to. Like, I'm gonna dry with my blow dryer and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I'm done with my wig cap. It looks okay. I tied it up in the back to secure it, and so the next step is to get my arm up and go to the beauty supply store and get me another wig glue because I do have a wig glue, but I've had it for a long time now. I think it's expired or something. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to the store and buy me some wig glue and I'll be back. Alright, just got back from the store. I got me some Ghost Bond, $27. Alrighty then, so I'm gonna get started. Very nervous because I don't want this to turn out bad. Again, this will be the third time, so I'm gonna put her on and see. She's still a little bit wet. Okay, see, that's not bad. It's not bad. The knots. I'm not excited. I'm pretty sure it'll work fine. But this is like the third time that I'm doing this, so I'm just a little nervous, so pray with me. Please make this work. Oh my god. So what I like to do is put little dots. And then I use like some type of flat object to like spread it out. So this has no directions on it, but I checked online just to double check. So basically they said put on 4 thin layers of the glue, then wait 5 to 7 minutes for it to cure, and then apply the wig. So good thing I saw that because I was just gonna apply it right now. I think it's been about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna apply the wig. I have this mirror right here. I gotta use both hands, so I'm gonna put this in between my legs. Don't judge me. So here we go, y'all. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put the legs right there. nice. You can't feel it. I don't feel any tackiness. It just feels like the wig. So that's a good sign. Now we're gonna do the same thing. Apply the dots. Then they're gonna take this thingy and spread it out. I am back. This lady's wig. It's been 5 minutes. Ooh, I'm scared. We're just going to lay it down. Yeah, the only thing that's annoying me is these little knots. So I'm gonna do the rest of my head and then I'll be back. All right, so the hair is on. It looks fine. It's not perfect. Like, obviously you can still see the knots a little bit, like right there. So that's annoying, but it is what it is. Like I said, I'm not doing this again. So I'm gonna put this on and now I'm gonna straighten the hair. I just want to show y'all how thick and luscious this hair is. Like, this is only one side. I got this whole other side to do and I haven't even touched the frontal part. So this hair is so thick. I love it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As you can see, I love it. This glue was so bomb. It's still not tacky and it's like holding on. So I'm really appreciative of this glue because it's not really going anywhere. Unlike the last glue, like after I was done with the entire wig, it just like slid back completely. And so I'm so happy that I found this glue. It was this glue, Ghost Bomb, so good, so bomb. Is it worth $25? I guess. Like, it kind of saved me, so I'll say it's worth it, especially since I got a $5 discount. So yeah, I just love how this turned out and I'm just so happy that I was able to win a wig for my birthday. So thank you again to BrandedHairExtensions. Thank you so much for giving me this wig. I love it so much. I can't wait to wear it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure you press my notification bell so you can get notified when I post. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.